Hey, I'm Montana Burr from Autism. In this tutorial, we're going to build a location-based search app using Next.js, OpenStreetMap, and some TypeScript features like interfaces and enums. We'll cover how to query OpenStreetMap data using the Overpass API, how to define interfaces and enums in TypeScript, and how to build a clean front-end search interface that uses your device's current location. In order to handle the JSON response from Overpass, we define interfaces. In our case, OpenStreetMap elements represent businesses. Tags hold data on a business. Some tags have names that wouldn't make valid JavaScript property names, so we use a hash map style with flexible string indexing to account for those. In order to manage distance units, we use a TypeScript enum. This keeps our values consistent and our state easier to work with. We get a device's current location and use it to build a query. Radius is converted based on unit selection. Then we send a request to our backend API route. The user interface is clear and simple. You can type in the amenity you're searching for, choose the radius, select your distance unit, and click search. The results appear in a neatly structured table showing you exactly what's nearby. Here's what the final page.tsx file looks like. Our route accepts user parameters and builds an Overpass QL query string. It then posts that to OpenStreetMap's API and returns the results to our front end. And then here's what that looks like. With just a few tools, you should now have a location-aware business search app using OpenStreetMap and Next.js, and you got to apply TypeScript's strengths along the way. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together. Check out more tutorials on Autism.